Today I'm making pumpkin crumble cake. It was a pretty easy cake to make. I used cold butter, which is a little different than usual. Mix it up with the brown sugar and all the stuff. You want it to be almost the consistency of sand. I think mine was a little bit thicker than that. The recipe calls for a pastry cutter. I don't have one, but my food processor and a fork worked just fine. So once you get that mixed up, set it aside, and then you're gonna mix up your dry ingredients, and in another bowl, mix up your wet ingredients. And then you're going to mix those together. Put them in the pan. Make sure you kind of flatten it out. And then you're gonna dump that crumble on top and kind of pat it down. Pop it in the oven at 350 for 30 to 35 minutes. And while that was cooking, I mixed up the glaze. Once it comes out of the oven, you just kind of let it cool off a little bit and then pour the glaze on. And I'm going to tell you right now, that glaze, when it comes together with that crumble, it is something marvelous. The recipe's in the description. Try it out and let me know how it goes for you.